Nervousness, when the nerves do with us what they want, has many forms. Anxiety and nervousness are such moments. Harald Haas, a psychiatrist in Bern, has written about it in his book Fear, Shame, Doubt and Most Fearful Confusion, and is in this respect predestined to tell us something about this subject and what one can do about it. We are looking forward to your explanations. The present times are characterized by people being very tense in their activity. They have a lot of activities with electronic media, also in their leisure time. In their professional lives, in particular in office activities, people have barely any connection with their bodies and are intensively connected to their activities with their minds. We can compare these activities with 100 years ago, where office workers were using handwriting. This was tiring as being done mechanically, with their awareness not totally present in the activity. This was already an automated activity. Nowadays, when writing on the laptop or the computer, there are only very small movements involved. One can no longer participate with one's awareness. The connection towards these small movements is almost missing, much more so than it was earlier in the case of handwriting. Rudolf Steiner gave exercises for this form of tension which can ensue from nervousness, but which is in reality caused by our automatic activities. He recommended that people write consciously, not by changing their whole handwriting, but so as to provoke a greater awareness by modifying the typeface of certain selected characters. This exercise is still applicable nowadays.
Indem sie nur einzelne Buchstaben verändern, die sie sich vorgenommen haben, in ihrem Schriftbild zu verändern. Und diese Übung ist heute auch noch praktisch anzuwenden.
Yes, so where does this lead to? This loss of energy, this burnout, caused by our activities nowadays, which is also expressed in a strong inner drive or in generating external control. It leads towards humans barely getting in touch with their vitality, which is what is implied in the phenomenon of burnout.
Beziehung aufnimmt. Das ist eigentlich das, was in dem Wesen verbunden ist, was Burnout heißt. Und gleichzeitig
at the same time, when this envelope, this life body, collapses and the self loses connection with it, it results in the environment being unconsciously perceived as threatening, as scary, and through sudden, unexpected occurrences, nervousness arises or anxiety arises. Through eurythmy, we can create an exercise which consciously develops the connection to this sphere of vitality. This is the awe exercise, which creates an envelope and a space which can be consciously seized and taken hold of.